Ever wondered how to make the perfect chicken piccata pasta at home? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're taking a deep dive into this classic Italian dish, which you can easily recreate in your own kitchen. The heart of chicken piccata pasta lies in its simple, yet flavorful ingredients. Tender chicken, al dente pasta, tangy capers, zesty lemon, rich butter, and a splash of white wine. Each element plays a crucial role in creating this delightful dish. By the end of this video, you'll be able to whip up a delicious chicken piccata pasta in no time. First things first, gather all the ingredients. Let's get everything we need for our chicken piccata pasta. We have a couple of stars in this dish, starting with 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You'll also need half a pound of spaghetti pasta. Don't forget the tangy punch of a 1/4 cup of capers and the zest and juice of 1 whole lemon. To create the rich, velvety sauce, you'll need a 1/4 cup of butter, half a cup of white wine, and 2 cloves of garlic. A few tablespoons of olive oil will help us sauté our chicken to golden perfection. We'll also need 3 tablespoons of flour to dredge our chicken and thicken our sauce. And of course, we can't forget the essentials: salt and pepper to taste. Remember, good cooking is all about balancing flavors, so don't be afraid to adjust these to your liking. With all these ingredients ready, it's time to start cooking. Now let's move on to preparing the chicken. The secret to a great chicken piccata pasta lies in the tenderness and flavor of the chicken itself. To get started, we first season the chicken breasts. A generous sprinkle of salt and pepper on both sides will do the trick. Don't shy away from the seasoning. It's what makes your chicken savory and flavorful. Next, we move on to dredging. This is where we coat our seasoned chicken lightly in flour. Make sure each piece is evenly coated. This will give our chicken a deliciously crispy exterior and help thicken the sauce later on. Then we're ready for frying. Heat a good amount of olive oil in a pan. When it's sizzling hot, add the chicken. Cook each side until it's golden brown. This not only seals in the juices, but also gives the chicken a beautiful color and a delightful crunch. Once the chicken is well cooked and golden, set it aside. Next up is making the sauce and cooking the pasta. Let's dive into the flavors. We start by lightly sautéing some finely chopped garlic in a pan until it becomes fragrant. This process will release the garlic's natural oils, enhancing the flavor of our sauce. As the garlic sizzles, we pour in a generous dash of white wine. This will deglaze the pan and loosen all those delicious bits stuck at the bottom. The wine also adds an incredible depth to our sauce. Now let's add a zesty twist with some freshly squeezed lemon juice and a handful of capers. These ingredients infuse the sauce with a tangy kick that beautifully complements the chicken. While our sauce simmers and thickens, we turn our attention to the pasta. Cooking pasta is an art in itself. It's essential to keep the water boiling and generously salted. Once the water is at a rolling boil, we add our pasta. We want to cook it until it's al dente, that perfect point where it's tender but still has a bit of a bite to it. Remember to occasionally stir the pasta to prevent it from sticking together. And don't forget to keep an eye on our sauce. We want it to reduce just enough to coat the back of a spoon. Once the pasta is cooked and the sauce has thickened, it's time to combine everything. The real magic happens when these separate elements merge together, creating a symphony of flavors in our chicken piccata pasta. Finally, it's time to put everything together. You've been patient, and your efforts are about to pay off. Let's start by reintroducing our pasta to the pan, where our delightful sauce has been simmering. Blend them together gently, so each strand of pasta is coated in that glorious, citrusy sauce. It's already looking mouthwatering, isn't it? Now let's place our beautifully cooked chicken on top of this pasta and sauce fusion. Arrange the pieces so that they're evenly distributed. This way, every bite promises a delightful piece of our tender golden chicken. But we're not done yet. To elevate this dish even further, let's sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley over the top. Not only does it add a pop of color, but it also brings a fresh herbal note that complements our lemony sauce perfectly. And for the final touch, arrange a few thin lemon slices on top. These will add a dash of extra zing and make the dish look even more enticing. And there you have it, a delicious homemade chicken piccata pasta. Enjoy!